How do I get photos off my iPhone? Today, you will learn 5 ways on how to get pictures off iPhone. Let's go through each of them in depth. Part 1. Best way to get photos off iPhone with Assistant for iOS. Mobikin Assistant for iOS. It's able to transfer photos from iPhone or iPad or iPod to computer without iTunes. It is loaded with wonderful iPhone photos managing features that will make you fall in love with the Assistant for iOS. How do I get pictures off my iPhone using Assistant for iOS? Firstly, connect your iPhone to your computer via USB cable. Secondly, choose the Photos category. Finally, click the Export button from the top menu and choose a location on your computer to get iPhone photos to the computer. Part 2. How to get pictures off iPhone via Photos app. Both Mac and Windows 10 computer have Photos app inbuilt, which allows you to get pictures off iPhone on your PC or Mac without installing extra software. How to get pictures off iPhone to PC. How to take photos off iPhone to Mac. Part 3. How to take photos off iPhone with iCloud. Using iCloud to take photos off iPhone is indirect, but it is workable. It is suitable for those who want to take photos off iPhone without a USB cable. What you need to do is logging into iCloud with the same account on your iPhone and PC or Mac. Take pictures off my iPhone to Mac with iCloud. Part 4. How to pull photos off iPhone via AirDrop. AirDrop is a tool similar to Bluetooth that realizes the sharing of photos, videos, websites, and locations through successful pairing between two devices. Here, you can also use AirDrop to export photos from iPhone to Mac. Part 5. How to get photos off iPhone using email. Using email is a very flexible way to get photos off iPhone because you can store photos in any location as long as mail is available there.